Welcome to new subject. What do you want to motivate your audience to do? Is it to be more productive, more confident, or to overcome obstacles? Map out your video content, including an introduction, key points, and a conclusion. Think about using personal anecdotes, statistics, and quotes to add value to your content. Write a script that flows naturally and is easy to follow. Consider using a conversational tone and storytelling techniques to keep your audience engaged. Use good lighting and sound quality to make your video visually appealing. Consider filming in a natural setting or using stock footage to complement your content. Use video editing software to cut and arrange your footage, add graphics, music, and other effects. Make sure your video has a clear message and is visually appealing. Thanks for watching.